Have you ever seen these birds? You might think they're crows, and you'd be wrong, but not too far off at the same time. Hi, I'm Corby, and this is my series, the Corvidae Fly-by, in which I talk about crow-adjacent birds. Today's topic is the genus Pyrrhocoracinae, which includes two chough species. This branch is actually basal to the Corvidae, which means all the other genuses evolved from it. The two aforementioned species are the very creatively named Pyrrhocorax aka the red-billed chough, and Pyrrhocorax graculus, otherwise known as the alpine chough. These are some real tough birds. Alpine choughs have been found on Mount Everest as high as 8,200 meters above sea level. The distribution of the alpine chough is pretty narrow, as they are real mountain lovers and can basically only be found in the higher portions. The red-billed cousins tend to reside on lower parts and have a much wider range thanks to this. These birds even like to relax next to the sea, given the opportunity, and nest on seaside cliffs in Ireland and Britain. However, steep rocky cliffs and mountainsides are essential for both species to nest. They make the rockiest crevices comfy with some wool and hair. But you might be wondering, what are these birds eating at such extreme altitudes? Well, depending on the season, they eat insects, grubs, bird eggs, but also berries, vegetables, and fruit. These opportunistic birds also benefit from human settlement. Alpine choughs sometimes even wait outside of hotel windows for food from tourists. And on Mount Everest, they have even been recorded following mountaineers. However, the coolest thing about these birds is their strategy to protect themselves from some of their only predators, which are eagles and falcons. Choughs will often nest near kestrels, who, in the breeding season, are highly aggressive towards big birds of prey. That way, our chough friends can stay safe and sound, or at least slightly more safe and sound. This is a good reminder that choughs, just as crows, are really clever. You can really see the family resemblance. Additionally, both of these species are highly social and are found in big flocks, which is another form of protection against predators. Overall, choughs are smart and resilient birds, and they definitely deserve recognition. And that was the first genus of the Corvidae flyby. Have you ever heard about choughs before seeing this? Definitely let me know. And here's my educational poster I made about these awesome mountaineer birds. Make sure to follow me to get to know more of our wonderful corvids, and see you in the next one.